Hi, what's up? So I'm in Churchgate and we have Srishti with us today. Hi. So आम्ही जातो youth campला and it's going to be really fun. So I'm going to meet people who are in Bodiwala vlog. We're traveling to Germany together and it'll be really fun. Srishti, say hi. Very uninterested hi, but hi. So that is Kanne ka juice, bada glass, 20 rupees ka. You wanna complete that? No. Never mind. So we are on our way to the venue. So Srishti woke up at 5:30. How does it feel to be an early bird?
I just want to sleep somewhere. I just need a pillow. Nothing else. I can go here with this.
Gaily thi manzar. Never mind. Yeah, so we just need sleep or caffeine, something. But how does it feel, Srishti? कसं वाटतंय लवकर उठून?
मी रोज उठते.
मी नाही उठत. आम्ही चुकीच्या रस्त्याने दोनदा गेलो आणि आता आम्ही होपफुली बरोबर रस्त्याने जातोय. बट पोचू आज आम्ही तिकडे.
इट्स नॉट द बरोबर रस्ता. मार खायला.
So we finally reached. Shawnee, say hi. I don't know what I'm doing. Genuinely.
का एक बीज बोना है, इसमें कोथिंबीर उगाएंगे. धनिया जो बीज है, धनिया का बीज उसमें डालने का, पानी डालने का, उग जाएगा. बस लाइफ है. So smart to my channel.
What? Pirangi, what do you think?
What?
ह्याच्यात खाणं गरम होणं.
It's not a cooker.
A warm
It's a
one.
warm one.
Would you like to say something?
वेरी ऑनेस्टली कुछ सेंस नहीं बना रहा है इस पॉइंट में. जो भी चीज़ हो रही सब गलत हो रही है. थोड़ा दिमाग लगा दो.
This is going to come in the vlog, okay? उन लोगों ने देखा तो. So people.
They're doing good. They're doing good.
Yeah, this is amazing. We are enjoying a lot.
We love group projects.
Yeah, we love group projects where we don't do anything.
बेस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट मट्टी होते है उसमें गड्ढा खोदने, उसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक रखने और पत्थर रखने का उसके बाजू में. सुबह तक उसके ऊपर पानी आ जाएगा. ठीक है. उसको कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस से तुम पानी चूस सकते हो. जिंदा रह सकते हो.
इससे अच्छा मेरे पास आइडिया है गड्ढा खोदने का और फिर उसमें उड़ी मारते हैं.
The sunlight has to hit the fall somewhere, right? So you at least want it to be like this. We're going to put it outside.
We're learning how to compost. You want to say something?
We already composed.
Yeah, we are already living a very sustainable life.
was fine. 5 to 7 is also good. But in case you have not
कितने अंडे खाते हो आप?
6
क्यों?
प्रोटीन मिलता है. पूरा अंडा खाना पड़ता
टोफू खा.
महंगा 6 रुपये का एक अंडा. 6 रुपये का 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन आता है. 1 रुपये का 1 ग्राम. वो
you
टोटल
don't have to
80
press
रुपये
it in. I mean, making
80 से
a
120
sandwich.
रुपये.
Just like with our naan, we will be adding water to it, and so that excess water doesn't get locked in.
Perfect.
Yes, we'll show you all the microgreens in a while. You can. What do you think?
छेद में नहीं है.
Make sure when you're adding, you need to press it, but just make sure you spread it evenly so that there are no humps or
अच्छे से कर बिरंगी.
lumps.
अच्छे से कर.
भाई 2 कंटेनर क्या.
So now, just quick question again. Why do you think we're using coco peat here?
अच्छे से कर.
Them out too much. We want to make that they are close. We want to make sure that they're close to each other, but also not on top of each
अभी
other.
पूरा वाला
So go ahead and add your
जितना
seeds.
करना पड़ रहा है.
डालना है
I would
पूरा.
recommend using hands. That gives like a better control of how evenly they are spread.
पड़ेगा.
Like a stick or maybe using a baler if you have at home, and then soak it. It just makes it easier. Is everyone done adding seeds?
मेरे पुष्पा
Shami made this heart for me. It's not a heart. Then what is it?
It's my almond.
Question here.
Damn. Deep, very deep.
Microgreen plant
we are making this chance. This is the second part, but it's fun.
डंडा नहीं दिया क्या?
I was sleeping the whole time. I was sleeping the whole time.
Yeah, I'm supposed to say that. It was very interesting. हेच आहे की आमची बुद्धिमत्ता कमी पडते. ते सगळ्यांना. We built this, like legit built this. Shawnee, what do you think about this activity?
I was literally sleeping the whole time when that man was explaining. I'm ready on बोलायला.
I was sleeping
Me too.
half of the session.
Not half of the session. The second session का आधा part.
Yeah. But they gave us this test tube. Yeah, so people, test tubes. दिखाओ अपने शी.
This is gel. I
Gel.
don't know where they removed it from.
कौन सा जेल है?
But read the cautions. Show the
Yeah, legit. I was honestly planning on like tasting the gel, but we aren't supposed to eat it. Oh, sad.
Assumption it's not. Plants will grow.
It will grow.
We're gonna play this game with strangers now.
Let's just know.
We have no social skills. What is your opinion on this game? How did you like it?
I think this game was really fun. Like we got closer to people we didn't know. It was nice.
Yeah.
Good to meet you.
How do you like it?
It's fine. I'm good.
It was enjoyable. I like it so much. It was like it can improve our mind and knowledge. That's my opinion.
Yeah.
It was collaborative.
Yeah. So Shawnee loves Alan Walker, right?
Yeah.
And I love you.
Reaction. Just you have to give every reaction look very priceless.
Correct.
That's what makes life life.
So जर हा व्लॉग चांगला झाला आणि ह्याच्यावरती मला किती 50 लाईक्स जर आले तर आम्ही जर्मनीमध्ये पण ब्लॉगिंग करणार आहोत. येस. आर्यन, यू वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग?
What?
He will say that only.
We'll vlog in Germany and then y'all can maybe hear Aryan sing.
I'm done. Pass it on to your turn.
So we have this task where we should like make a nice poster and we are going around to see what other people have done. Yeah. इनका अच्छा yeah. We should do something like that. Okay, we have an idea. So our posters turned out to be shit, but no man. No. Look.
Look at yours.
No confidence, man. This is the kind of confidence that I want in my life. Definitely.
Yeah, that is very bad. We have done better.
And make sure that the world is even for every creature. Thank you.
सो कॅम्प संपत आले आणि आता मी जे पोस्टर्स बनवलेले त्याचे रिझल्ट्स आहेत. सो आमच्या तिघांचे ग्रुप जिंकणार नाही आहेत हे आम्हाला माहिती आहे. सो आम्ही आता फक्त निघण्यासाठी थांबलो आहे. ओके, सो आम्ही थांबलो कधी निघणार. यूथ कॅम्प हॅज एंडेड. इट वॉज फन. वी लव्ड इट.
Whatever she said.
इट वॉज फन. वी लव्ड इट. आम्ही खूप मजा केली आणि थँक्यू यूथ. आणि कोण होतं?
कोण कशाची?
यूथ स्क्रॅप अँड
Yes.
box of science. It was amazing. It was so slay that we would love to attend this thing again.
Now it's getting hot outside. I can't.
Okay, tata. See you.